Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a voice control, WinBridge voice amplifier here. So what this will do is it'll give you the ability, like if you're a teacher or if you're just wanting to give a little speech or tour guide or something like that, you'll have the ability to have this device here and have it sound nice and loud as you move along. So let's take out everything out of the box here. I'm just opening it up and showing everything. This is obviously the device. And then it came with this here. And under here we have a little headset dealie. Let's say it comes with two. Oh, dropped it. And then we have our lanyard. This is going to be, I assume, the charging cable from USB to USB-C. And we have the little headsets. It comes with two of those too. So we have two headsets, two of all this stuff. Yeah, you can see on the picture here, it's got two headsets to connect to it. So kind of cool. So let's give this thing a go. Sorry. Set this up. So this is our little headset thing, and here is our headset, and they are wireless to the base. So let's see. So if I was going to have it on this side here, I would say, so I would do this. And then do I do it this way, or do I do it facing back? Maybe I'll do it facing back. Okay, so then I'll go in here and it'll go. You can see it's got a little place to connect it in. There. So there, and now it is. Oh, I don't want to connect it up that high. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so now if I have it here, oh, it's actually got to go this way, I guess. Well, I mean, you can play with it and figure out the best way to line it up, but I'll just say it's this way here, and that would be my voice there. Okay, so let's turn this on here and see what we got here. We have a power button. We have a, I guess that's going to be a mute button, and then we have a plus and minus to increase it. So if we probably hold down the power button there, bloop, 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 and then I'll hold down the power button on this one as well. Hello. Ah, it works. Okay. So here we are, and I can be talking on this one. Oh, so that's what, okay. Okay, so what it's going to do is give us the ability to have two people talking simultaneously through this. But if I can go here, let me increase the volume. I'm going to open up the strap here and connect it up. So if I am, oh, I didn't even realize it has a clip on the back too. It has this clip on the back. So if I have a backpack or something like that, I could just put it on my back and have it making the noise as it's going there. So I can just say, hey, everybody, follow me along, blah, 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 and I will be giving the tour. I don't know if you can hear how it is. I'm ridiculously clear, but it is a bit of a tinny clear. So it's probably not for musicians or anything, but it would be great for just talking. If I was a teacher, I could probably stick this in the back of the room and people could hear it. If there was somebody hard of hearing, they could probably even just hold it and hear everything from there. So that's really cool. And you could have two people. So if it was two tour guides, if I was doing something and translating in a different language, I could have one on me, one on the person speaking the other language, and they're doing the translation or whatever. And the delay, it is a bit from when I talk. I don't know if you can tell that there's a slight, but it is almost minimal. I've tried some of these things before, and they are just echo, talk, talk, talk. This here, I'm already used to it. It's not so bad. It took a couple of seconds to get used to it. But for fun, I'm going to go ahead and turn it up all the way and see how loud this thing gets. So we are, wow, there, I heard a beep. So we are at full volume here. And, oh, holy mackerel, that is loud. Okay, so that is super loud. All my neighbors are gonna be upset with me. But okay, so this will get really loud. So if you were in a busy, noisy place, this is still gonna work for you. So this is really cool, really good quality. And I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna last. Hopefully it'll last a good long time on the charge, but if not, you can always bring like an extra battery pack, plug this thing into it and be charging as you go. But I think it'll last, for a good amount of time for a tour or for a class or whatever you need it for. So super cool, nice little device. This is totally comfortable. I forgot I even had it on. I'm still talking through it. Oh, look at that. If I move it really close, I'm even louder. So now it'll be super ridiculously loud. Okay, yeah, okay. So there, it's even better right up close. And it doesn't make it yucky or anything like that. I sound pretty normal, so you guys can tell. Super cool. Thumbs up. Very cool.